Some of Nathan's garage sale finds. Art kit, obviously. The cutest little puppy dog stickers. Pete notebook. This is Hootie. Lunch. Anna, how's it going?
Good.
Good? What are we going to do today?
Run around.
Run around. What did we just get back from?
Glass sailing.
Garage sailing. Did you get anything good?
I got a
Show me what you
unicorn.
got. Let's see it.
I got a unicorn.
A unicorn. What's her name?
Her name is Yuna.
Yuna the unicorn. She's very fancy. I love it. Let's go check on Nate and the dogs.
Okay. Can I be Yuna?
Yeah.
Yay! Yuna.
Pretzel bites are almost done. Waiting on the cheese.
Wait!
Yay! Dog! Stinky doggy.
Sit. Wait. Look. Drop it, Pappy. Pappy, drop it. Sit. Sit down, Pappy. Pappy, sit. Wait. He's been doing this. Like he's been squishing.
Oh
like
yeah.
that.
It comes back like a taco.
Comes back like a taco. Pappy. Getting back like a taco. Go. Where are you on? Way faster than the one we have.
It's smaller. So maybe that's why.
Probably.
All right, Jason. Memorial Day 2025 at the Lapp family farm. How's it going?
Good.
Give me a little update. What have we done so far?
We did a skeet shoot,
Okay.
a paper airplane contest, and a Nerf gun.
Explain.
So, the skeet shoot, Uncle Jeff won.
Okay.
Then the paper airplane won. Nate wins. And for the Nerf gun, I won.
All right. Clean it up. What did we do today?
We went garage sailing.
Did you find anything good?
Yeah. I got some books.
Okay. Nice. Here comes Daddy back with the tractor. Cut up some wood that had fallen down in the field. A tree fell over. Farmer Dave on the tractor picking up wood. Oh, watch out! So close.
Mom got 1 point. Nate got 1 point.
Yo,
What we making?
French fries and fish.
Sounds good. Hey, Dad. Anything to say?
How about no?
No. There's Doug. Dougie's the cutie pie. There's Dougie. That's like what? Nate, do you have anything to say? Excuse me, sir. I'm in the middle of a game. Got that on video. What you gotta say?
Happy Sunday. Ready for some fish dinner and enjoying the sunshine.
Muck,
Yeah, babe.
what you gotta say?
Hello. We're making French fries.
Uh-huh.
Are you hungry? Do you want lots of French fries?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Oh, good.
I think everybody is.
French fries and fish.
Yep, that sounds good. Yeah, hang on.
Good job, you two.
He's videotaping us.
Put it in the hot oil.
Oh, that would have been good.
Mom, how do you like playing baseball here?
I love it.
Yes, I want to see my watch Yeah. Watch
Yes!
Nate, how do you like playing baseball?
Nothing.
How do you like playing baseball here?
Hello? Anyone in there?
Mom,
Yes.
what did you buy garage sailing?
Some books.
Books?
For 25 cents.
Wow, it's cheap.
Was it?
Didn't you get like a stuffy, was it?
I got a stuffy owl.
What's its name?
Hootie.
Hootie?
But sometimes I like to call him Poopy.
Muck, did you buy anything garage sailing?
Right there.
You know what? I did not.
One of those that's huge.
You know if Auntie and Uncle Jeff did?
Oh, you didn't see Uncle Jeff? Oh, you know what? We got a free table.
You did?
Yes. It's over there in Uncle Jeff's truck for playing cards on. And Uncle Jeff got a really cool lamp.
Lamp? Cool. Down by the corn crib.
Watch out! Oh, Jason.
Here it is.
Nice to meet you doing in my house. What are you doing, sir?
I'm taking video.
Of a birthday in the house?
Huh?
This used to be a old house, I love.
This used to be a corn crib.
What?
I'm pretty sure this used to be a corn crib.
No,
See,
it
there's no roof.
It fell on me.
Oh, then why? How are you still alive?
I'm just on there.
Here's the new car. Expedition. White whale.
What's her name?
Jason.
What's this?
Nose.
What am I holding?
Nothing.
Jason knows nothing.
I have a BB gun and I was shooting at this target. It's an alien. places. And I broke one of these clay things. You can see it. I broke that. Shot it in places. Oh, Mr. Doug came too. Here's on the back of a barn. There's some more targets that we set up. This one looks like Dog Man. And then this one is another alien.